The district attorney's office says the actions of a Huntsville police officer who killed a man last month were legally justified. On October 16th, an officer shot and killed Alberto Rivas at 2111 Edenburg Drive. The investigation shows that Rivas would not drop his gun and pointed it at one of the officers, causing the other officer to shoot him.